Welcome to Section 7, Design Best Practices. In this section, we will review design best practices for a number of areas. In this video, we will review best practices for VMware tools as well as guest operating systems. Installing the latest version of VMware tools is recommended as soon as the virtual machine is provisioned. Update VMware tools after each ESXi upgrade to benefit from enhancements. Installing VMware tools benefits include enhanced graphics, memory balloon driver, VMX Net 3 network driver. Upgrading VMware tools while the virtual machine is powered on is a faster option. VMware tools in Windows guest updates the bus logic driver to VMware provided driver, which has optimizations that the guest applied Windows drivers does not. For accurate timekeeping, configure guest operating system to use NTP or VMware tools time synchronization option. This is usually a requirement from an audit perspective as well. Design best practices for guest operating systems include disabling screensavers and window animations in virtual machines as they consume CPU resources. On Linux, disable services like X server if not required. Schedule backups and virus scanning programs to run at off-peak hours. Evenly distribute CPU usage not just across CPUs but across time as well. For workloads including backups and virus scanning, use scheduling to spread load across time. Right-size virtual machines with memory and CPUs required for its workload. Ensure disk partitions within the guest are aligned for better performance. Use E1000E virtual network adapter if the VMX Net 3 driver is not supported. Recommend using Update Manager on its own system and dedicated database. vCenter database performs best when its files are placed on high-performance storage, and vCenter performs at a higher level when database data files and transaction logs are separated on storage resources and neither shared disks nor I/O bandwidth. To summarize, we reviewed VMware best practices for VMware tools and best practices for guest operating systems.